What's up everyone, how you doing? Today I'm gonna be installing the next pipe on my XF. I'm gonna take it to the muffler shop and have him install the X pipe. Now my car is fully straight pipe from the catalytic converters all the way back, and it's super loud. Let me do a close up for you guys so you can see how it sounds. Now this is going to be a fully custom X pipe. I've already talked to the guy that's going to be doing the job, and let's get over there so I can show you how it goes. What's up guys, we're finally back home now, and sorry if I didn't get enough footage of the installation, but here it is now. We're finally back home, and check it out. Let me start it up for you guys. I think this is the best mod I've ever done to my car. It sounds completely different. It sounds like a different car, and you can actually tell that the engine is working a lot better, a lot smoother. So it's definitely the best mod I've ever done to my car. Oh, look at this. This literally scared the heck out of me. But it looks like it's some type of glue. Smells like toothpaste. Anyway, for performance, it does feel like the throttle response is a little bit better, but I don't know if it made a couple more horsepower. Because I read on the forums about these cars with the next pipe getting about 10 to 15 horses. So we might see later on if it did really get a couple more horses. I really recommend an X pipe if you have a V6 or a V8. It's gonna improve your car. It's gonna make it sound a lot better. It's gonna make it run a lot better. And overall, I think it's the best exhaust mod I ever done to my car. If you want to hear more about this car, stay tuned because I'm gonna be doing another video of the exhaust. That's all for this video, and thanks for watching.